All right, y'all. Room upgrade. Let's check it out. 5108 is the jacuzzi suite. Ooh. All right, see what we got. So, you walk in, you got your mini fridge, mini bar. Let's go over here first. Got your closet. It's a big closet, y'all. Safe. Got the living room area. Got the TV. Got two entrances to the bed. Granted, we only got one outlet on the side. Actually, I could move that nightstand and plug my phone up over there. Bruh, look at this. We got a jacuzzi right next to the bed. That is sexy. All right, here's the bathroom. Got the his and hers sinks. This bathroom is beautiful. Look at this. Oh yeah. Here we go. Y'all, this is incredible. Bruh. Got the shower. Bro, this shower is... Oh, shit. Wow. And then here, we got the toilet. See if I can turn the light on. There we go. Y'all, this is amazing. Like, for real, this is incredible. We got our drinks. All right, y'all, let's go outside. Open this balcony door. Bro, look at this view. This view is everything, y'all. Like, wow. Look at this view. Look at this. This is absolutely incredible. We got the other hotel right next to us and their pools. But y'all, I gotta show y'all something else, cause this ain't it. We got some stairs. We got some stairs. Let's go up these spiral staircases. Y'all, look at this. Got a sitting area. Ooh. And look at this, y'all. We have a jacuzzi, another one. Another jacuzzi up here. Y'all, this is incredible. Bro, this is insane. Wow. We straight have a jacuzzi on the second floor of our room. Got a lounge area right there. Could just chill, look at the ocean. Like, for real, y'all. Granted, this hotel is dated, but this room right here is well worth it. And today is Valentine's Day, so yeah, we about to go all out in this room. I'm just saying. Just look at that view, y'all. Incredible. Absolutely incredible. Bruh, we have a jacuzzi up here. Like, this is part of our room. Like, that is so crazy to me. Wow. Let's go back down. Bruh. Wow. Absolutely insane. Like, this right here is what legends are made of. Like, this right here is what dreams are made of. Make y'all dreams come true. Because life is way too short to just be existing. I swear, y'all, I wasn't ready when I walked in this room. Like, this right here is like absurd. Wow. I gotta walk through it again because I'm speechless. I am literally speechless. Yeah, we about to take these drinks and go to the jacuzzi upstairs. Oh yeah, it's on and popping in here, y'all. This right here is literally amazing. But y'all, the Riu Guanacaste a jacuzzi suite, room 5108. Well worth it, I must say. It's definitely night and day than the other room that we had. Definitely night and day. And you can watch the sunset from up here too. But y'all, I'm speechless. But if y'all have stayed here, let me know. Would you stay here? Let me know in the comments. Because this right here is what dreams are made of. Literally. This is just impossibly beautiful. Impossibly beautiful. But yeah, just comment down below what you think of this room. And until then, travel on.